When your customers ask for an air compressor, do you know if they actually need a direct-driven or a belt-driven unit? Pinching the wrong setup means burnt-out models, ruined tours, and lost customers. Today, right here on the Bison factory, we are going to show you the real mechanical differences and tell you exactly which one you should be stock to maximize your wholesale margins. Let's look at the direct driven first. The structure is very simple. The motor shaft is connected directly to the compressor crankshaft. They spin at the exact same speed, usually a high 3,400 RPM. The upside, it is compact, lightweight, and delivers instant air. But the downside, high RPM means high friction and high heat. It is a sprinter built for portability, but not a marathon runner. Now the belt driven. Let's take the guard off. Look at this engineering. The motor turns a belt, which turns a massive cast. Iron pulley on the pump. Because of the pulley ratio, the pump spins much slower, usually around 1,000 RPM. What does that mean for your customers? Lower RPM means lower noise, lower heat, and drastically reduce the wear on turbo cylinders. This is a marathon runner, built to run all day in a hot out shop without burning out. What's more, maintenance is as simple as swapping a trip belt. Specs and structures are great, but let's put them to work. Watch the direct driven. We hook up a pneumatic nail gun. It's perfect for quick burst energy tasks. It pumps up fast, making it the ideal unit for mobile farming crews or quick painting jobs. We connect a heavy-duty impact wrench. Even under continuous high-volume air demand, this machine stays cool, quiet, and delivers relentless pressure without constantly cycling the motor. It is built for professional units. Here at the Bison factory, we engineer both builds to absolute perfection. Stop letting middlemen eat your profits. Build your brand by partnering directly with the factory. Hit the link in the description below to get our air compressor catalog and get your best price on WhatsApp today. See you next time. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about our Bison air compressors, accessories, packaging, and OEM solutions, please check the recommended video on the end screen. Subscribe to the Bison channel for more real machinery tests, factory videos, and product guides.